Adventure time kami ni Julian. Julian is here. Where is Julian?
I think inside the tent.
Ayan, adventure time kami. Summer na summer dito. Ayan, magbo-biking kami. Going to the small forest. Look, the trees, Julian. Look, the trees. Look up. Swim. Look.
Look, it's going so fast. Wow.
What's your name?
My name is Julian.
How old are you?
Rachel. I see the back here, Bobby. I didn't see everything.
Hey, sit down here. Sit down here. Hey, Nanay, sit down.
Yeah.
Oh, picture.
A red dog over there.
It's our bike trailer.
No, it's a red dog. A red dog. Oh, sign over there. It's the dad up there.
Thank you.
I love you, Mama. I'm going to have lunch with my sausage.
Your sausage.
But it's still hot.
It's still hot.
Yeah, it's still.
Oh, see, engguete. See, engguete.
Engguete. Oh, try this red.
Yeah. there? You see I think it's a bull.
I want carry.
Bull or water buffalo?
It's a water buffalo.
Yeah, I think it's a buffalo. Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa Deer Park, Animal Park. Ayan si Julian, oh. Going home na kami. Ano lang, saglit lang kami dito. Carrie, you're heavy. Saglit lang kami dito guys kasi si Julian pagod na. Nag-ano na siya, sensitive. Nagde-drama na. So, we're going home. At ayan, andito kami sa Animal Park. Nag-bike ako from our house to here. Grabe yung exercise. Yung legs ko nag-ano. Pero okay na rin. Okay, maganda siya sa sa legs. Ito guys, oh. It's a bison, Julian, bison. Look.
What's he doing?
Eating.
Eating some plants?
Ayan, we are here in the animal park, guys.
No, animal zoo.
Animal zoo. It's a small animal zoo. Ayan. And Julian is enjoying his ice cream. So, ayan guys, we're going home. Julian is here eating his ice cream. Ayan, we're going home. Hi guys! Ayan, nandito na kami sa bahay. Gabi na. Gabi na, ano na si Julian. Naka-rest na si Julian. At, ayan. At, naglaro lang siya dito sa bahay. Pag-arrive namin sa bahay, ayan, naglaro siya sa bahay, sa garden. Ayan, gising yata siya. Yes, Julian? Yes? You want to sleep here?
Yeah.
Then get your Chuchi bear.
Okay.
Yeah. Kunin niya yung ano niya, favorite stuffed toy niya. Yung ano niya, bear niya. Ayan, guys. At, ayan. See you on my next vlog. At, good night. Good night po sa inyong lahat dyan. Thank you so much for tuning in on my YouTube vlogs. It's getting late na.
You need to put it under your pillow.
Okay, I'll put it in my pillow. So, again guys, thank you so much for tuning in my vlogs. At see you on my next vlog. At yan, good night. Sleep tight, sweet dreams. See you. Thank you so much guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Mamshi Shenlivi. Bye. guys! Ayan, nandito naman tayo guys sa bahay. But in a while, lalabas kami, pupunta kami sa isang event, Peruvian Festival. Hopefully, magstay kami matagal doon kasi, you know, Peruvian Festival, you know, South American Festival is very lively, jolly, ayan, may sayawan, ganyan-ganyan, at may kainan. So, hopefully, magstay kami matagal. Tingnan natin kasi si Julia medyo moody ngayong araw, but we'll see. And then, ayan, looking forward sa Peruvian food. Yan, mga ceviche, may mga, ang tawag yung lomo saltado, mga ganyan na klaseng food. At saka yung spicy chicken nila, ay, sarap nun. We'll see. Tingnan natin later. At ayan, if hindi kami kung hindi kami tatagal doon, baka lang kami, magpasya-pasya na lang kami around downtown. Kasi yung festival kasi nasa downtown. So, malapit lang siya sa river. Sa Rhine River. Ayan. We'll see. And, ayan. Pasya na naman kami, guys. What's your name?
I was doing nothing.
You talk in the camera. What do you want to say?
Today's lunchtime.
How's the weather?
It's 30 minutes from boat minutes.
What?
I must go because the boats are ready to get the ferry boat.
The ferry boat?
Yes,
Where is the ferry boat?
the ferry boat is far away. Go for a way to find it. I'm taller than you. I'm not taller than you, not taller than you. Okay, close.
Can you arrange your shorts? Your shorts is a bit...
I think so. Please not.
Careful.
I am being careful. This is lovely, but
I think your shorts is not properly placed. Come.
Heet op de Rijnbas. Ja, dat nog wel. César.
Vienna Wohnhaus. Was? So die Vienna Wohnhaus. So the Wiener House.
Ja. Dat is deze army.
Ah. Oy. Small door, Julian, that's your house.
That's your house, look. You
but,
wanna move in?
but I cannot fit.
You can fit easily, look. Ha ha ha.
Julian, don't know.
But you don't need to mom.
I cannot open it.
It's closed.
I cannot open that door.
Yeah, it's closed. They're not expecting you. Most doors you cannot
What
open.
in
The doors
Ferry
are
boat?
outside, you cannot open.
No! We're in the ferry boat. We're in the ferry boat.
Yeah.
Julian's in the ferry boat.
Yeah, come.
Julian's inside the ferry boat.
Not quite yet, I think. Because
So,
you're not
Julian
in the water.
can jump over the hump.
Jump over the house. Hey, look. Look. There's a model of the houses. Look, on the tree. Of the house. On the tree.
He cannot.
Mommy, Papi, do we want to go on the stairs?
Under?
But I want to see the boat.
Yeah, the boats. You will not see here the boats. Look, what's this?
I take.
Turn around.
Okay.
Turn around. Can you turn around?
This is the river.
Yeah. And then look behind you. Over here, look. See? What do you see? The church. See, that's the church, huh? That's the church. See?
I want to go behind.
On the side, but there's no step, huh?
I see a tree. Can I have a
The location
sketch
is
here?
nice, no? Oh, your toes. Yo.
Where are we?
We're in the ice cream shop. Shocky one. I like shocky.
Yeah, Julian will have shoki and mommy will have mango and pandan.
No more donut, huh? Medyo lakas ang pandan, I think.
What did you have?
Fior di latte,
Mm,
pandan.
and pandan. Mommy has
Pandan.
mango and pandan. Julian has shoki.
Yes.
Sisi give them ice cream in the camera.
Eat camera. Camera, do you want to eat this ice cream? Camera wants to eat ice cream.
And then you say Patik. Hi again guys! Ayan, nandito ulit kami sa bahay. Nakakauwi lang namin. Galing sa Peruvian Festival. Hindi kami tumagal talaga doon kasi si Julian nainip at gusto niya lumabas kasi naiingayan siya sa loob. Ano kasi yung event na sa loob ng ng parang event center or isang malaking room. Nandun kami lahat. May banda, may diskohan, may kainan. Ayan. So far, so good. Ang sarap ng mga pagkain nila. As in, talaga ako. Fan talaga ako ng South American food. Yeah, I had a ceviche. My husband had a, anong tawag nun? Yung may beef na may beans, white beans. Tsaka may rice. Ayan. So, sa akin, ceviche. First time ko na pwede pala i-part ang ceviche sa kamote, sa sweet potato. Yung ceviche sa Pilipinas, sa atin kinilaw. na ano siya, na sa South America, ang ceviche nila, soak nila, or sinoksok. They soak it, or they marinated it with lime or lemon. Doon naman sa atin sa Pinas, vinegar. So, yeah, okay siya. Sarap. Parang ano na rin, parang it feels like home eating ceviche. It's delicious. Ano talaga, sarap. I would like to have a second plate, but one plate is enough. So, yeah, lumabas kami ni Julian. Pumunta kami sa patio / garden parking space, ano tawag yan? Park plots sa labas ng event nung kami nagtambay. Then, ayaw na ni Julian pumasok dun sa loob. So, hinintay na lang namin si Javi sa labas. At, ayun, si Javi, nakadalawang cerveza, beer. At, nagustuhan niya yung beer ng Peruvian beer. Kalimutan ko anong pangalan nun. Tsaka yung cola nila, nagustuhan ko yung cola nila. Inca Cola. Green ang color. Sarap yun. Parang siya, candy taste. But anyway, ayun, enjoy siya na kahit short period of time lang or short stay lang namin doon, enjoy namin yung environment, yung venue, yung food, yung people. They are very hospitable like us Filipinos. And then yeah, after that we roam around. Nung lumabas si husband sa parking space, parking lot. Yeah, parking lot. Ayun, nakita-kits kami. Then sabi ko, tara, punta tayo sa Rhine River. Muna tayo, pasyal doon. And then, ayun, nagpasyal kami doon, lakad-lakad, and then, enjoy the air, the fresh air. Ayan, yung Rhine River. And then, may nakita kaming ice cream shop. Ayun, nagustuhan ni Julian. All is okay. Our day was fine, well spent. Very, calm pasyal. Ayan, pasyal. At, yan, maybe next time when Julie is a bit bigger, we can stay longer in that Peruvian festival. It will not be our first time. I think we will have next time, and so forth and so forth, because I'm a really avid fan of South American food. Hi guys, we are out again. Mommy Shen V is here, and Julian V and Papi V. Si Papi V. We are going to a Bolivian festival. Ayan na naman, South American food. All right, Julian. But he'll be eating different food. Kasi si Julian medyo picky sa food.
That's my tractor too.
Tractor. Yeah, he's a bit picky. So we'll be going there sa Bolivian festival. Yeah, you can jump on the bridge. You see, it will not break. It will not fall down. Julian said it will fall down when he jumps. No, the bridge is so strong. Look, a big park. Wow.
They have beers in here.
Oh.
You can feed them like that.
They put fences because there's deers. Bambi. Reindeer. No, not reindeer. Deers.
I want to go to the park.
This is the park.
It's a reindeer park.
Oh, look, there's the deers.
But Julie wants to play.
They're running, running.
Can you see the baby deer? The baby deer. Here's the other one.
They're hiding.
I won't touch his head.
Hi.
Kiki.
Oh, yeah.
Oy, oy, oy.
Wow. The other one,
The other one?
The mouth is full. The other one.
The brown. Yeah, the brown. Yeah.
Good. Bravo.
One more.
Annika.
Okay.
Thank you.
Merci. Good.
Can you get green one? Green?
Green. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Give.
Huh? Yeah.
Ew.
Super.
Yeah,
Yeah, look.
More.
Yeah, look. Yeah, sure. Yeah, the one open that open. That one is busy. Green, the next one.
The other one?
Okay.
finish
Pass.
for us. Hindi namin tinapos kasi nagdadrama na si Julian. Ayan, so we'll be going home. Magandang park, maganda yung venue.
I don't want to go home.
Oh, he doesn't want to go home, but you're tired.
But I'm not.
So yes, we're going home. Maganda ang venue kasi open siya at maganda ang weather. Timing, hindi umuulan, hindi ano. It's not cold, it's not rainy.
No, it's warm.
Now it's warm. It's very nice. Ayan si Julian, tumatakbo. Julian, let's go! Bye! Ciao! Ciao! Hey, ciao, ciao!
Julien!
It's a deer, careful!
Yeah.
Atong!
That's all, huh?
I can touch.
Nan!
But bees are going to bite him.
Oh, das ist schön, ne?
Ja, damit dito.
Ja, Dominik ist das. Hey, Dominik! Hallo, Dominik! Ah, tu nous aussi à la fête. Hein? Vous avez mangé?
Hey, Julian!
Horseman.
Yeah, don't.
No.
Yeah, careful.
Ça marche. Demain, c'est comme le cuisine.
Careful, careful.
I'll touch. Be careful.
But he might bite you, huh? Come. Stand up
I'll
here.
get something.
Ayan, di namin natapos kasi si Julian nainip na. Pero, andun kami at marami kami kinain. May, ano sila, may, what do you call it? With the corn?
Mote?
No,
The big one, choco?
uminta.
Momento.
It's like tamales. Uminta is like tamales. And salteña, that it's like empanada. What they call it, salteña.
Das ist der Empanada from Salta.
And then may yung akin ano fried pork, or they call it chicharron de cerdo.
Ja, chicharrón is like deep fried.
Okay siya, very lively, and then ang weather medyo, you know, it's better. It has a better, what called? Ayan, lively siya na ano na festival, jolly at very hospitable again kasi you know South Americans are very hospitable like Filipinos. And Julian, careful.
Filipinos, Latinos.
Yeah. And yan, we enjoyed it. The weather is good, better than last week. Yan. At yung venue, magandang venue kasi sa park, sa labas. Hindi siya yung venue is nasa labas, nasa park. Hindi siya indoor. So,
Yeah, middle playground.
may playground. Okay sa mga bata. At si
Playing 3 hours.
Yeah, Julian was playing 3 hours while me and Papi are eating.
While mommy is eating.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So yan. Are you happy today?
A bit silly today.
Bit silly today. Okay. So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.